music, stories, and more. You're listening to Artbeat Radio, a program by Able Arts Work. Welcome to our special episode from Epi the Best. Welcome to the gallery show, ladies and gentlemen. It's this Friday coming up, and we're gonna have a beautiful music for you called some Latin jazz. Lily will love Latin jazz, and Carlos will love Latin jazz, the best from Epi schools. We're gonna have like a gallery show festival coming up, and in the main room, and it's gonna be called Remain Seated. We'll start the show.
Welcome to the episode. Ataman, we're showing off our art.
First, we're interviewing for the artist that we're gonna show some nice cookies, Rico, and then we'll be live at the gallery show at 12 to 2:30. That Roxy Mommy knows about it.
First from Maria and Carlos. Pat cake.
Carlos, Ono, Epi.
Nancy.
Okay.
Yes.
Maria asked, how long did it take?
Hold on. 3 minutos, the cake. No finish. Finish now. Hold on. You made the cake.
Maria's worked on the cake for a year. What was it like to work on the cake at the beginning?
Pepper mache, and no finished yet. A cake, the big one, for the plate, and purple and yellow and blue. Where you work on the cake? Oh, yeah.
So Maria, you're sharing about when you came in on the cake, it was all built. You had to make decor, and you also worked on painting it and finishing it up. What colors are on the cake?
Blue, green, turquoise, purple, red, yellow, orange, granules, boost.
What are the cake flavors?
13, bananas, peaches, strawberries, for mature we use brushes and paint and place too for the paint.
So Maria asked, what challenges did you guys face?
Which eyes? Blue, yes.
You guys used your hands a lot.
Yes, a lot. Yes, blue. You know, blue, messy.
You had to wear some aprons, huh?
Yes, every day. Every day me walking in the cake.
Every day you had to wear aprons, huh?
Yes, every yes. No me, hey, no me. You know me.
Carlos did it,
Me,
but you did
me always, you know. You know me.
Good job, Maria.
Me my face always, you know. Did you?
So that it wouldn't get on your chair, so that it wouldn't get on your clothes.
Yes. Tienes otro cabo, you know. You eat the cake. Yeah, now, Maria. Now. Pepper mache, Maria. Now eat the cake. Thank you, Maria.
Coming up, Mr. PJ the DJ.
I'm here with DJ PJ. Are you playing music at the gallery?
It's in the main of music. I N S T O U N E N T A L. Instrumental. I choose guitar and hip hop, lo-fi. I have this big old canvas, but I'm gonna sell it at the show. Welcome to the gallery. We live. Let's go.
Here's our interview with Beatrice.
Hi María, ¿cómo estás? Bien, qué bueno.
La pregunta es, ¿qué piensa usted del arte que ve allá afuera?
Oh, pues a mí me gusta el arte, María. Está muy bonito todo. Todos son unos grandes artistas. Sí, María, todos hacen excelente trabajo. Los favoritas, pues voy a decir que de Jesús, pero no. No voy a decir que son las favoritas, María. Porque he visto muchas que me han gustado. De Pillé, de Carlos también. Creo que tú participaste en el pastel que se me antojó también. Sí. No tengo favoritos, María. Todos me gustan.
Did you have fun today?
Ah, sí, María. Si no estuviera aquí, tú ya sabes que a mí me gusta venir aquí y siempre me divierto con todos los muchachos y mirando todo, admirando y comiendo también. ¿A ti te gusta también que vengamos? ¿Sí? ¿Te gusta vernos acá? ¿Sí? Ok, María. Nada, María, ya sabes, aquí estoy a la orden.
And here's our interview with Maria.
María, yo también me llamo María, yo soy María Arroyo. ¿Tú María? ¿María qué? Calaviz. A mí me gusta, veo el trabajo que le echan muchas ganas todos los muchachos, que hacen mucho esfuerzo y que todas las mamás estamos bien orgullosas de todo este trabajo tan arduo que tienen todos. ¿Cuál es mi favorita? Los tapetes que tienen ahí sí son tapetes, los tapetes me gustan mucho, están muy bonitos. Me dice thank you. También hay comida, ¿no? El pastel que hiciste, tú hiciste el pastel, colaboraste, ¿sí? Quedó bien bonito. ¿Cuánto tiempo hicieron para hacer el pastel? Meses. ¿Meses? Oh, ok. Pero les quedó muy bonito, ¿eh? Tienen mucha creatividad todos. Gracias por invitarme. ¿Sí?
Here's our interview with Peggy. My name is Daniel Jacobs.
My name is Peggy Jacobs, and I'm Daniel's mom.
What do you think about the art?
I think the art is amazing. I am always impressed by the variance of colors and textures that the clients put into the work that they do. I'm a stick people person. And I've learned more of how to do art and how to appreciate it since doing art with you guys on COVID. But I'm impressed. I'm very impressed.
What is your favorite piece in the show?
I don't know if I have a favorite, and of course, I'm going to be biased. I love Roman Reigns coming down the waterfall by my son Daniel Jacobs, but all the art is very impressive. It's unique, all of it in its own way.
What do you like about it?
I like the colors and the shapes. It's kind of funky and geometrical and stuff. That's what I like the most about it.
Did you have fun today?
I always have fun when I come to Epic.
Here's my interview with Roxy Mommy Sugar, because I left this interview so beautiful. Thank you very much. Hi, this is my mom Roxy. She's here at the event for EB, and I left this event only today. And it's Fun Friday to you all, and welcome to the podcast of the show today. We're called GRECO, spells me. What do you think about the art, Roxy Mommy Sugar?
Oh my, I think the art is amazing. It's so many varieties of ways of arts that I saw that, looked like 3D art because it was a whole cake. And then there was some beautiful art that I saw that you made.
Because I like sometimes I watch this, I speak Spanish. Que me gusta un cake rico de EB, it's Long Beach likes art cake rico.
The art cake was rico.
What was your favorite piece?
Well, I think I'll have to be biased, but the favorite piece was the one you made. I liked it a lot.
What did you like about it?
I really liked the hues of blues that you used. And did you have your favorite color in there?
Yeah.
What is it? That's it. That was the favorite color.
The green with un galletas rico.
Yes.
And we're gonna eat it with dessert after the show today. Mom, did you have fun?
I did, and you know what? I'm still having fun. Do you know why?
Because you've been working really hard for $100.
Yes, and do you know why I'm still having fun?
Because you're ready to see the show today.
Yes, because I'm enjoying the very art show so much.
Thank you for coming down to see beautiful event, Roxy Mommy Sugar Me.
It was a pleasure.
Here's our interview with Isel.
Hi, my name's Isel. I'm Johnny's younger sister. I just moved back from Spain, so I got to spend the summer with him, and now we are enjoying his art show.
What do you like about it?
What do I like about it? I love seeing all of your classmates' work. I saw some works that Jesus did, some of his paintings that I loved, the bright colors and his interpretation of things. Yeah.
What is your favorite piece in the show?
I think my favorite piece, I got a little button actually. It's this one here by Jesus. It is super cute. It looks like a pink little alien. And seeing it on canvas is just so bright and it really caught my eye.
Did you have fun today?
I had so much fun today and the fun is not over. I'm going to keep looking and we're definitely going to make some purchases today. I already got some buttons right here, huh, Johnny? For your backpack and for mine. So it's all so lovely.
Here's our interview with SHI on Share It.
My name is Sheer Dyer, and I am the Director of Programming and Clinical Services here at Able Artswork.
So what do you like about the art?
What I like about the art today is that you can tell that everyone here at Able Artswork worked really hard on it, and that even though you can tell that people made different elements, the collaboration pieces are really nice and are really cohesive, and it feels like the event was made with a lot of heart and intention, and I love that. And I also love all the things that are for sale today. Some really great merchandise.
I mean, like button all there. What is your favorite piece?
W. So.
My favorite piece in today's show is the quilt, because I love how people worked individually on it, but also collaboratively on it. I think you can really see everyone's mark that they made, and there's some really fun nods to specific artists here at Able Arts Work, but some aspects of the community that I really love. And I also especially love that big cake, because it's really fun looking. It's really hard not to try to eat it, and it has a lot of decoration, and it looked like it was really hard to make.
I didn't help that one.
That's okay. Do you like it?
Yes. You have fun today?
I had so much fun today. I love seeing the families and the caregivers and the siblings and the service coordinators and the community members who show up for you and your friends here at FB, at Able Arts Work. And I love seeing how proud you guys are of your artwork. So I had so much fun today. Thanks for having me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Here's our interview with Nikki.
I'm Nikki. I'm a DSP here at EPI, and I am here for the gallery show today.
What do you think about the art?
I think it's amazing. You guys have been working so hard through so many semesters with all of the art. I love seeing it out, and I love seeing you guys make sales.
What is your favorite piece of art and artist?
Oh, that's a good question, PJ. I think I'm torn between that big piece that you were working on for 2 semesters and Carlos's sheep.
Both of those are really good.
I got 2 of them.
It was the big purple and green one you were working on.
Yeah, but I got 2 of them. So, what do you like about art?
For your piece, PJ, I like the colors that you picked and how they're like really vibrant and like go with each other.
I wasn't to sell it, but for money.
Yeah, sell it for money. If it doesn't sell today, there's other galleries.
Did you have fun today?
Yes, I had a lot of fun getting to come back and see you guys for a little bit while I'm out.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, PJ.
Here are our interview with Evie.
Hi, I'm Evie. I'm an instructor at Able Arts Work in San Diego.
What do you think about the art?
It's amazing. The artwork is so colorful and dynamic and exciting, and I can see each of you in the pieces themselves, and you guys worked really hard.
You know what? I'm gonna make more big ones. What do you like about art?
What do I like about art? I like playing with materials, and I like how you guys are really brave.
Materials.
I personally love paint a lot, but I kind of like everything. What about you?
Well, I do ceramic. I did that last. What is favorite piece in art?
So only one. Okay. This is very difficult. This is so hard because they're all amazing. But the cake.
Yeah.
Cake, right? I mean, come on. And can I eat it?
No. No.
Just a little bit? Yeah.
No.
1 strawberry. I had so much fun. And thank you for letting me be part of your world for one day.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed this installment of Artbeat Radio. For more information, please go to our website, ableartwork.org. Thank you for listening and tune in next time.